Hello and welcome to today's session. This session focuses on learning outcome for LO4. Understand the relationship between the law of trust in an international setting. In this video, we will explore how trust laws vary across different countries and examine their impact on creditors' rights and remedies. You will gain insight into how international variations in trust law affect legal relationships and the protection of assets in cross-border contexts. In the United States, trust creditor laws differ by state. Creditors can enforce rights through fraudulent transfer laws and creditor claims. The Uniform Trust Code offers a model framework. This includes provisions for creditor rights and remedies. Understanding these variations is crucial for creditors. The UK relies on the Trustee Act 1925. Creditors can enforce rights through equitable execution and charging orders. The Insolvency Act 1986 provides specific provisions. These laws govern creditor rights in trust insolvency. Understanding these laws helps creditors navigate UK trusts. In Canada, trust laws vary by province. Creditors enforce rights through execution against trust property. The Bankruptcy and Insolvency Act provides guidelines. These laws are crucial for managing trust insolvency. Understanding provincial differences is key for creditors. Australia's trust laws are based on state legislation. Creditors enforce rights through equitable execution. The Corporations Act 2001 governs insolvency cases. These laws ensure creditor rights in trust insolvency. Understanding these laws is vital for creditors. Offshore jurisdictions offer favorable trust laws. They include robust asset protection statutes. Limited liability provisions attract trust business. Understanding offshore laws is crucial for international creditors. These jurisdictions provide unique creditor-friendly mechanisms. Civil law jurisdictions have distinct trust laws. Countries like France and Germany emphasize fairness. Statutory provisions govern creditor rights. Understanding these differences is key for international creditors. These laws focus on equity and creditor protection. Trust creditors seek repayment assurances. They assess trust creditworthiness and financial stability. Guarantees and collateral mitigate repayment risks. These assurances are crucial for creditor confidence. Understanding these expectations helps maintain positive relationships. Creditors expect transparency from trusts. Financial statements and asset inventories are crucial. Disclosure helps assess creditworthiness. This transparency aids informed lending decisions. Meeting these expectations fosters trust relationships. Creditors expect enforceable rights in defaults. Contractual provisions and legal remedies are vital. Liens and pledges assure debt recovery. These rights are crucial for creditor security. Understanding these expectations aids in trust management. Creditors consider priority in insolvency. Secured creditors often rank higher. Understanding creditor hierarchy is crucial. This influences debt recovery likelihood. These considerations impact creditor strategies. Creditors evaluate risks in trust lending. Credit and market risks are assessed. Due diligence and market analysis are crucial. These assessments ensure prudent lending practices. Understanding these risks aids in trust management. Creditors negotiate lending terms with trusts. Interest rates and repayment schedules are key. Default provisions and dispute mechanisms are crucial. These terms provide creditor protections. Understanding these terms aids in trust negotiations. Creditors expect regulatory compliance from trusts. Financial reporting standards are crucial. Non-compliance risks, legal disputes. Understanding these requirements aids in trust management. These expectations impact creditor relationships. Creditors value open communication with trusts. Regular updates on financial health are crucial. Effective relationship management fosters trust. These practices address concerns proactively. Understanding these expectations aids in trust administration. Creditors implement risk mitigation strategies. Diversifying lending portfolios is crucial. Credit insurance and hedging manage risks. These strategies safeguard creditor interests. Understanding these strategies aids in trust lending. Creditors rely on legal protections in defaults. Contract and property laws are crucial. Legal advice and remedies maximize debt recovery. These protections ensure creditor rights. Understanding these laws aids in trust management. International frameworks guide trust recognition. The Hague Convention provides guidelines. These frameworks aid cross-border trust operations. Understanding these frameworks is crucial for international creditors. They ensure consistent trust management globally. Comparing trust laws reveals jurisdictional differences. Statutory frameworks and common law principles vary. These differences impact creditor rights. Understanding these variations aids cross-border operations. They are crucial for international trust management. Key literature informs trust law understanding. Books and journals provide insights. Refer to these sources for deeper knowledge. They enhance comprehension of international trust laws. These resources are essential for legal practitioners. Access ebooks and journals for further reading. Email queries to the provided address. Submit assignments within 2 weeks. These resources enhance understanding of trust laws. They support ongoing legal education. Conclusion: understanding international trust laws is essential for creditors, as these laws influence their rights and remedies across different jurisdictions. A thorough comprehension of these legal frameworks enables creditors to navigate trust relationships more effectively on a global scale, reducing risk and enhancing their ability to enforce claims. Have questions? Send a WhatsApp to 07484361688 and our team will be delighted to assist. Thanks for your attention and see you next time.